Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix YouTube remove the content on your YouTube channel. Now if you want to fix or get back the content which have been removed from a YouTube channel, then you need to simply follow the steps shown in the video to get your channel back. Now if your content has been removed by YouTube, then there may be various reasons behind it. The first reason may be that the copyright policy of the YouTube. So if you have used content of any other creators, then the YouTube will remove those type of videos. So make sure that you post your own videos rather than copying from others. So if you have done like that, or if you want to get back your video, then you need to open YouTube Studio on your app on your device. So let's say if YouTube have removed my content from it, then you'll see the thing like copyright policy, or your video has removed notification on the notification section. So if you have received such things, then you need to click on it and you'll see the option of review for apply for review. So you need to simply click on it and you need to give them a message that this is your content, rather you have not copied from other. Then they will verify the email and they will check if it is your content or not. So after that, if they verify that it is not a content, then YouTube will give back your video to you. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.